You have a disability insurance claim with Cigna through your employer's group plan. Here are some traps you need to know about. I'm John Tucker. I'm a disability attorney, and I represent people all over the United States who have claims with their employer's group plans. Cigna is one of the largest insurers of group disability plans in the country, and we have experience going back years and years and years with Cigna. Hundreds of claims. Here are some things that I think you need to be aware of if you have a Cigna disability claim. First, at the time I'm doing this video, Cigna is in the middle of closing a transaction with New York Life selling their book of business. For about $6.5 billion, New York Life is taking over Cigna's disability claim operation. Cigna's getting out of the disability business. You need to be aware of that because New York Life may try to terminate people who are already on claim. So if you've got a claim that's pending now or has been approved, beware. There may be heightened scrutiny. There may be more adjusters looking at your claim to see if they can turn you off. Second, until that happens, Cigna has a pretty unique view of something called tolling. Tolling is when insurance companies get to suspend their time deadlines. The federal law that governs group benefit plans has certain time deadlines that apply to insurance companies, either in the initial claim or during appeals. Cigna thinks that every time they send you a letter and ask for information, they get to turn the clock off. Now there is a concept, like I said, called tolling that allows them to do that. But what Cigna will do is send serial requests for information. You'll get 3, 4, 5 letters sometimes asking you for information. And Cigna's not telling you they're turning off the clock every time. When you get a letter from Cigna asking for anything, you need to immediately respond. Fax them or email them a reply. Tell them if you don't have something, and if you have it, send it. They only can toll if you have information to give them and you don't give it to them. So if you tell them, I don't have it, they can't toll. Finally, Cigna has actively been sending our clients out for examinations. We call it a compulsory medical examination. It's when they pick a doctor to examine you. And when that happens on your claim, it's never a good thing. I can honestly tell you that in the last 10 years of my practice, and I've been doing this about 30 years, I've seen one person who went out to an insurance company doctor, and that insurance company doctor said they were still disabled. And we're talking hundreds of clients. If they're sending you to a doctor, bad things are going to happen on your claim, almost undoubtedly. I can't give you that guarantee, but I'd bet on it. If an insurance company like Cigna says they want to send you to a doctor, you need to call an attorney. If you find yourself in a situation where Cigna doesn't pay your claim, or they're taking too long, or they've denied your claim, call us at the number below. We can help you. We handle claims like yours all over the country every day. I'm John Tucker. Thanks for watching.